今开始来关心前总统蔡英文去欧洲访问，伊第3站去到英国，受台英国会小组的邀请，蔡英文伫英国国会发表演说，嘛和下议院议长霍伊尔见面。前总统蔡英文是亲身感谢英国的议员，伫去年底因伫国会通过联合国2758号决议，无干涉台湾的这个主张，嘛肯定这一项决议对反制中国、维护台湾国际地位是真重要的决议。
I thought this was a very courageous move on the part of the British Parliament. It made it clear that the resolution made no separate or additional determination on the status of Taiwan and should not be used to preclude Taiwan from meaningful participation in the UN or the wider international system.
We're also very honoured because Mr Speaker, who controls the Commons side where we make all of our legislation, he is meeting her as well. So it's a great honour for us to have her here, but also hopefully she will feel it's an honour that our Parliament is giving her so much respect as well.
前总统蔡英文去英国访问，伫英国的第1站是到英国国会。英国上下议院下党派大约有30个议员同齐来迎接。下议院院长嘛和蔡英文见面。虽然英国工党政府上任了后是拍拼咧和中国修补关系，但是对台政策也是延续前保守党政府的政策，认为台海爱和平稳定，这是对英国国家利益上有利的。也伫去年11月，英国国会嘛通过联合国2758号决议，无干涉台湾的主张。咱前总统蔡英文嘛趁这个机会亲身表示感谢。